Welcome to the online version of BCom 301. I'm your instructor, Dr. James Skip Ward, and you can click on the left-hand menu and find out all about me. I have a slide there. This course is different from the face-to-face courses in three major aspects. I know that almost everyone here is fully employed, has families, and are looking to enhance your careers with a degree. And I've altered the course to reflect that. There's another major difference. The face-to-face students have mock interviews, attend a job fair, write application letters, etc. I've deleted all of that from your course. If you find something that relates to it that I forgot, please send me an email. And I know that online students diligently do read the book, and so I'm not giving any chapter quizzes. It's sometimes very difficult to get the face-to-face students to read the book they just bought. Okay, so this course is preparing you for a job search process, whether you're looking for a job now or later. Of course, we're going to focus on your writing skills. This is an intensive writing class, and I recognize because of your schedules, you need time to work on it. And I don't know where you stand on your experience with formal business presentations in PowerPoint, but we're going to work on those too. The rest you'll see is the regular syllabus stuff, and I give you your rights. You can get rid of a teammate on the group papers, that the two papers you're going to write, if they're not participating. Just give me a heads up. You could request a topic to be added or subtracted if you give me the business case. And you can change directions in the papers if you give me a business case. But I also have rights to alter the course syllabus, dates, assignments, and I'm reserving the right to get rid of a student who simply doesn't log in and do the work. I make mistakes. I have 4 classes, over 100 students, and other stuff that I have to do. So if you see a mistake, holler, please. Holler. Feel free to text me. I use a Texas number. It's on the syllabus. I would prefer not to get contacted on the weekend because that's what I'm, along with my wife, we're trying to get a life together and work on all courses at the same time. If it's an emergency, you can do it. Don't use my office number. I don't even know what it is. If you're contacting me, please give me your name, the subject line, and your name. It's really going to save me time trying to figure out where you are. Okay, the course description is the same for all courses. I have added a map to try to give you an idea of the top items I'm looking for. We all use the same textbook, and there is no lab. My sections, I made a mistake. My sections do not use the lab. Now I've gone in and posted this information, and it appears it has not yet been processed. So don't buy the textbook lab, but you will need a textbook. The objectives are the same for all classes. I'm not going to review them. You can read them for yourself. On the grades, notice 93 to 100 is an A. I don't do the 90, 80, 70 deal. And no rounding up. 92 is a B. Okay, your assignments are always due on Sundays, 11:59 p.m. the same week, unless there's otherwise stated. I will not accept late work because I'm so busy dealing with on-time work. Your Blackboard grade center is going to be set up so you will always see your percentage. You don't need to keep a spreadsheet. I give you, lucky you, no midterm. I'll tell you the activity, the points, and the due dates here. The rubrics of assessment are always found in the direction. I've given you note-taking worksheets for each chapter. You'll be doing 2 written reports required in all BCom classes. Now, I use Grammarly, and my students said they really liked it, so I'm adding it here. You'll have 1 team virtual presentation based in it's a narrated slide deck. I used to do YouTubes and other things, and I'm just trying to simplify your world as well as mine. And if you have questions about the handshake or resumes, please contact Career Services. There's a description of handshake. I pulled that right off their website. I have the course policies here. I think they're self-evident. If you have a question, holler. I've given you the information of contacting Tiger Tech if you have a problem. And of course, the normal policies and services. I do want you to know that I revise the syllabus every time I teach a course, and sometimes I miss something, so holler. Well, I hope this less than 7-minute video has helped you understand the course. Welcome.